Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 14th of November 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports. Before moving ahead, I'd like to tell you that whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Alright, now let us get started. Cool. So here we have a Nifty October future and Bank Nifty, November future and November future of Bank Nifty and Nifty. Okay. So the previous closing, which was on Friday, the previous closing in Nifty November future is 18,424, while the open is at 18,432. Low is at 18,362, while the high is at 18,455. All right. Now let us come on Nifty chart at 3 minutes time frame. Okay. There was a huge gap up on Friday opening, but on today's opening after the Friday the market closed, it was purely a sideways market and it was a flat opening, looking even at the SGX Nifty. All right, so here we are on the 11th of so here we are at 11th of November candle, the last candle on 3 minutes time frame, and then here we are, the market opened here, went quickly up until the day's high, which was 18,455, also the all-time high you can call it as well, and from there it touched down to the bottom to this pivot level, which is 18,399, and then went down up until 18,381. From there it been a sideways rotational market. It was taking a lot to delay, so okay, and it was just moving for the next trend, which is up or the down. Okay, approximately till 12:35 or till 1 o'clock the market were sideways. From here it bounced back up until 18,444, and from here it went on to drop up until making a low of 18,362, and then the market of Nifty November future managed to close at 18,317. Hope you have got to know anything. If you have any kind of doubts, you can drop them in the comment section. All right. Now let us go to the Bank Nifty November future. The November future of Bank Nifty is, the previous closing is 42,293. The open is at 42,325. The low is at 42,100, while the high is at 42,371. Okay, so as said in the Bank Nifty, we had a gap up opening on Fridays post Thursday, and on the post Friday, which is today, on Monday, we had a quick sideways market. Okay, the market opened around over here. If I zoom in for you, yeah, so the market opened on this candle itself, the first candle. It opened up around here, which is 42,325. Even we can see that I told you 42,325. It opened the candle and then went bottom. It could not sustain at 41,171, and then quickly bounced back to the next candle. It couldn't sustain again over there, which was at 42,321, and then the market kept on dropping up until 42,100 at approximately within 1 hour, which was 10 or 33, and then the market went on a sideways range. Okay, when the market went on a sideways range at approximately 12:57, which is 14:11, and after 12:57 the market started to quickly rally to the bottom. Okay, at 42,361. From there it went down. Okay, so before moving ahead, I would just tell you what would be my expectations. My expectations for tomorrow, the market has been in a slightly to the sideways range. Okay, so the bottom has been broken. Okay, my first target for tomorrow morning would be 18,313. I would like to see that in the Nifty, while my second target would be at 18,253. Third target would be anywhere between 18,155 to 18,096. Okay, in Bank Nifty, let's draw the chart again over here. Let's come with this line. Okay, at the bottom, at the top, and then here we are Let's do this. Okay, so the Bank Nifty is yet to drop or touch its bottom level, but I feel that it will definitely touch. It may go up until my stop loss in the bank nifty would be around this level, which is 42,335, and at the below, at the bottom side, which is south side, my first target would be 41,984. Second target would be 41,775. Third target would be 41,489. Okay, if it doesn't go as planned, it doesn't go as planned on the top side, I am not trading because I don't know what range is it going to go and up till when will it go. So I do not have any clear picture as of now, but as of now I am expecting for this target. If I get a trade, well and good in this range. If I do not get a trade, I will definitely be not trading into anything. Okay, coming to the United States dollar to against Indian rupee, right now it is trading at a slightly higher price, which is 81.2425. right now it is trading. At the time of the video I am recording, it's 3:45 p.m. on 14th of November 2022, and here we are. The dollar's been quietly getting stronger and stronger. It fell for a while. Okay, if you see on a weekly trend, the market of USDINR was at 81.91, 82, close to 82, and then suddenly we had a fall, and then it went on flat on Sunday because it was kind of holiday, and then it's trying to climb back up. Okay, coming with the EURINR seems to be slightly getting stronger a lot. Okay, the market has the EURINR has been climbing up and up. Okay, but seems to be quickly falling. I'm expecting the EURINR to fall for up until I would say it's gonna fall. Let me just tell you. Come to the future. Go to the EURINR and then November future. I am expecting the EURINR to fall back up until 82.61, 82.81, my first target. Second target would be 81.73 within approximately 10 to 15 days. That would be my target. Alright, now let us quickly check. The DAX is trading right now, which is DAX of European market, 14,259, while the FTSE is trading at 7,349.43% up. CAC 40 is trading at 0.24. IBX is trading in the red at approximately 0.43% lower, minus 35 points. And then that's what is happening. Okay, JPY is in green, Australian dollars is in green, Canadian dollars to Indian rupees is slightly in green. All right, so let's see what will be this week turning up. This week we are going to see one more all-time high, or we are going to see all this lovely gaps to be filled, and then let's see bank nifty to go approximately up until 17,500 is going to come, or 19,000 is going to come. Only the week and then the next to that is going to tell us. All right, thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode. Peace out, take care.